Something creative,
Clothing.
interactive.
One thing which I would like to start.
I'll go for infrastructure capital.
Starting a mobile mobile hospital unit kind of thing.
I would like to go for some shopping related activities or some business which can be customized easily.
Before coming to IIM, I had this dream of getting into fashion and clothing industry.
I want to end up in tourism and travels business.
My mom's family is in the SMS silk business. So what I'm thinking is like maybe extend the same thing towards it.
So I like this idea of flipped classroom a lot, and which has been made popular by Khan Academy and Coursera.
I wouldn't like to start anything for myself as such, but something that my mom's been looking to do for a very long time. She's a really good cook.
Teaching institute or something.
I am fascinated by this glamour world. So I would like to go into the film industry, production houses and all that.
No, nothing as of now.
Not one of the more prominent ones, but someone I know on a more personal note. She's actually an alumnus from here. Her name is Malvika Harita.
Yeah, so Salman Khan of Khan Academy.
Yeah, Richard Branson. So
Ambani is the Indian head. For me, Ambani goes and...
I don't have anyone particular right now. But yeah, Indra Nooyi is one I'm really inspired from.
Well, yes, I do like Indra Nooyi.
The Bansals from Flipkart.
No one as of now.
No, not really.
I think Nandan Nilekani.
Gives me a kind of a sense of independence. Yes, definitely. Obviously, the profits and the returns and the risk that you take it's basically, it's like your own child. You nurture it and then finally see it growing. Obviously, you get some satisfaction out of it.
Yes, it does give me an excitement in the sense that I have my own vision and I'm living my own vision.
of course, you want to be your own boss. You want to have a life where you decide what you want to do. So of course, it is exciting, but it is challenging at all sides.
Is being your own boss.
Entrepreneurship is an adventure.
Is talent.
Starting from scratch.
Challenge.
Entrepreneurship is doing what you want.
Entrepreneurship is exciting.
The big thing in the next 20 years, I would say.
It's a fest which we will organize. The ENICL organizes. So yeah, I have heard about it in CBS that it's one of the biggest fests that the college organizes.
It's a very good business fest. I think it gives a good opportunity for people to put forward their own ideas and also listen to others' ideas.
It encourages people who want to, and you get to see new ideas coming up.
It's like exciting entrepreneurship.